What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on GRT, the graph, which has dropped quite a bit since last night. As you can see, it was trading around 22 cents and nearly hitting 23 cents, and right now has dropped down to 18 cents. It's up 8% overall over the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep dropping down to about the 10 cents target? Is it going to pump back up in value? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, what is the best option to do right now? Is it to buy it, to sell it, or simply holding on to it? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, is this crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and we can see the market is up just over 1% in the last 24 hours, and we can see that the graph is one of the top gainers. However, it has gone down the list. Yesterday it was literally at the top here, gaining over 100%. As you guys can see here, it's gained a massive amount of value. However, has gone down a little bit over the last hour. It has dropped over a percentage. Over the last day, 8% up. Over the week, a massive 111% up, guys. We can see it hitting about 167% as well. This was yesterday evening, where it pumped up so much, and over the month at over 172%. So yeah, so far so good. However, right now it has taken a little bit of a step back, or a little break, whatever you want to call it. But what is its next target? So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has indeed gone up by 167%, making it $1.1 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded on the graph. However, I'm expecting the trading volume to be going down over the coming hours, as the value of it is dropping. So we're going to be seeing less people buying it, less people selling it, which is going to see more people holding onto the crypto, meaning less people trading the crypto, meaning the trading volume going down over the coming, let's say, 12, 14, 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction as usual. And at the top here, we've got the daily chart with the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, currently valuing the graph at 11 cents here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 18 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the orange line looking slightly bearish, and so is the blue line as well. So essentially, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are likely to carry on over the coming 12 to 14 hours. And yes, I agree with that. The only reason I agree is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. It's only right it goes for a little bit of a drop. However, that doesn't mean we're not going to see any more pumps. Yes, I'm expecting more pumps in between as well, potentially heading up to about 20 cents over the coming couple of hours, and then for it to slowly start to drop back down to 16 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today. So yes, it is going to be volatile over the next 12 to 14 hours, but overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. So do expect the crypto to drop down to about 16 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, in the next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking bearish. However, it's not looking too realistic. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. However, that is not what I'm expecting. What I am expecting is an overall increase in value from the graph over the coming days. So let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting the graph to be trading around the 30 cents target is what I'm expecting. Again, well, over the next midweek to towards the end of next week, 30 cents is achievable. Again, we'll keep it 25-27 cents by mid next week, and then 30 cents towards the end of next week is what I'm predicting. This is bearing in mind the drops that are likely to take place in between as well. Like I mentioned earlier on in the video, over the coming hours and days, I'm expecting it to slightly take the crypto to take a slight dip in value before it slowly starts to gain back up into about 25-27 cents by mid next week. Do expect it to be volatile, just like how it's been, but again, moving more towards a positive direction. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. However, as you can see, the blue and the orange line are both looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is meant to take place. But again, according to the graph, is going to be a major bull run, a major price bump, so on and so on. However, that's not the case. Yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but again, I'm expecting a minimal increase over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting the graph to be trading around 40 to 45 cents in target over the next 2 months, guys. And again, I'm expecting it to be a slow and steady increase in value with minimal drops in between. But again, this depends, of course, on how the crypto market performs. Any major crashes, bull run, so on and so on, can have a major impact, not just on the value of the graph, but the whole crypto market in general. But yeah, so far so good for the long term. And again, for the short term, as I mentioned, guys, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a drop before it gains value. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. And as you guys know, this cryptocurrency here has been quite volatile since its launch, and as you can see here, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head into the green zone, or the resistance target, which is 72 cents, which I'm hoping we should be able to hit by mid-year, guys. I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target here and potentially head into the green zone towards the second half of the year and hit the dollar mark in Q4 of 2023 is what I'm expecting. Again, we could be hitting $1 way before Q4, even in the next few months, depending if there's a major price bump in the crypto market, or in specific to be the graph, if they've got a collaboration or a partnership lined up, then yes, we could bump up to the dollar market over the next couple of weeks even. But again, these things are not predictable, and that is why I tend to keep you guys updated on a regular basis with the most up-to-date news and updates and so on, just to give you guys an insight of, what to expect, what to predict from specific cryptocurrencies. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on the graph, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.